Hello everyone, my name is Purva Jizabra Pawar and I pursue MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Today we are going to know about financial accounting. What is a financial accounting? In a simple term, financial accounting is the practice of accounting for all money going in and out of an organization. It involves recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing of all financial transactions. First is recording. Transactions are recorded as either or a debit or a credit. When funds come into a business, that is a credit, and when they go out, it's debit. Classifying. There are several categories used to determine types of transaction. First is the revenue. This is generally from the sales of goods or services. Second is the expenses. These are business costs like salaries, office rent, and services. Next is the asset. This is the value of what a business owns. Asset may be physical, known as a tangible, like property and equipment, or non-physical, known as non-tangible, like a database of clients and software patents. Think intellectual property. Liabilities. This is what a business owes. It is not just debt but also forecast outgoings. For example, include mortgages, payroll, and payments owed to suppliers. Equity. This is what's left over after deducting liabilities from asset. It is what the business owner and shareholders own. Third is the summarizing. The transactions are summarized into different reports. Fourth is analyzing data and information in analyze to help make business decisions. There are two different types of financial accounting, cash and accrual. Cash accounting is generally only used for employee cash expenses, such as a client meals and travel cost. Accrual accounting is all encompassing and accounts for all business transactions. Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and reporting a company's business transaction through financial statement. These statements are the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement, and the statement of retained earnings. What are the four basic financial statements? The four basic financial statements used in a financial accounting are as follows. First is the income statement. An income statement is a company's net income for a certain period of time. It is a company's total revenue minus its total expenses. You will also hear the income statement being referred to as the profit and loss statement. Second is a balance sheet. A balance sheet shows what a company owns, means its asset, and owes, its liability, as of a particular date along with its shareholders' equity. Asset can include in a balance sheet cash, prepaid expenses, accounts receivable, note receivable, money owed to the companies within 1 year, inventory, investments include real estate, buildings, machinery and equipment, vehicles, intangible assets such as patents. Liabilities can include in a balance sheet accounts payable, loans payable, note payable means money the company own within 1 year, unearned revenue, a product or service a client has paid for but the company has not yet provided. Deferred tax, current taxes, payroll, owned but not yet paid, warranty obligations, and mortgages. Shareholders' equity can include stocks, preferred and common stocks, retained earnings, money to be invested back into the business, comprehensive income, profit or loss in a company's investment during a specific time period. On a balance sheet, asset is equal to liabilities plus shareholders' equity. Third, the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement documents in a detail all of the company's income and debts over a specific period of time. It is only concerned with cash, such as the statement does not include depreciation and amortization cost like an income statement would. A cash flow statement reflects the short term viability of a company by indicating whether the operation has enough working capital on hand to pay its employees and debt. Fourth, statement of retained earning. This is the amount of income a company has left over after dividends are paid to stockholders. Why is financial accounting is important? Bookkeeping and publishing financial statements are important for the following reason. First is communicating with external stakeholders. Lenders, investors, and shareholders are just some of the third parties who use financial data to determine a business financial health. These external users then interpret this information to decide how much to invest or lend. Second is transparency. By publishing their accounts and data, businesses are transparent in disclosing their financial performance. We will look into more reason why transparency is important later in this post. Compliance. Not only do they need to comply with laws and taxes regulation, but also with International Financial Reporting Standard means IFRS. Several accounting bodies ensure compliance such as a Financial Accounting Standard Board, in short FASB, in the US. Data driven decision making. Management accounting is the practice of internal reporting of financial data. This allows to company bosses to see trends and overall business performance, which will help better inform their decision. Conclusion. Financial accounting is an essential business process that allows professionals to understand their business finances. It allows for a transparency data driven decision making and improve profitability. Thank you.